Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common hassle: losing your Citi Strata card. Don't panic. It's easier to replace than you might think. If you're here because your wallet went missing or you left your card on a coffee shop table, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the steps to get a new one quickly and securely. Let's dive in. First things first, act fast. The moment you realize your Citi Strata card is gone, contact Citi's customer service. You can call them at 1-800-XXX4X, I'll link that in the description, or use their app or website for a quicker response. Reporting it as lost right away helps protect your account from any unauthorized transactions. Once you're on the line with a representative, they'll guide you through verifying your identity. Be ready with details like your full name, account number, and any security questions. This is crucial for security reasons, so it's all about keeping your info safe. After verification, request a replacement card. Most of the time, Citi will waive fees for lost cards, but double-check if there's any charge. It's usually around $5 to $10, depending on your account type. Now, here's a pro tip. If you need access to your funds immediately, ask about a temporary card or emergency cash options. Citi often provides these to bridge the gap while your new card is mailed out, which typically takes 7 to 10 business days. After you've requested the replacement, keep an eye on your email or the Citi app for updates. Once it arrives, activate it right away through the app, online, or by calling the number on the back. And remember, while waiting, monitor your account for any suspicious activity and update any auto payments linked to the old card. There you have it. Replacing your lost Citi Strata card doesn't have to be a nightmare. If you follow these steps, you'll be back to swiping in no time. If you have questions or your experience was different, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.